Hello, I'm Dennis. I'm a teacher with Scorelifters. So today I'm going to show you an example of how to use our strategy divide and conquer to approach every reading passage in a really structured way. Take a look at this reading passage from an actual SAT. The first thing we're going to do every time we get to a passage is find an approximate halfway point, and we're going to draw a big line there. So for here, it looks like the bottom of the second column is probably a pretty good halfway point. Doesn't have to be exact. The next thing we're going to do is skim just the first half. So I'm going to skim from the top all the way down to my line. And we see that we've read up through line 44. So now that we've skimmed the first half, we're going to go look at the questions and see which ones we can answer with what we've read so far. Now, the first question is usually a main idea question. So it's talking about the passage as a whole. We're going to wait until the end to answer those. So if we look at the next question, we see, okay, lines 17 through 18, we've read those, we can tackle this question. All right, the next question, it doesn't look like there's a line number here, but actually there is, because 24 and 25 are a pair. We call these best evidence pairs, because you see in 25, it's asking what's the best evidence for the previous question. You can learn more about this best evidence pair strategy in our classes and in other videos. But for now, we just see that, okay, we can tackle this pair because we've looked at these line numbers already. Okay, question 26, we see refers to line 30. We've gotten there. We can go ahead and answer that. Next, all right, we see we have another best evidence pair, but now look at these line numbers. These go beyond what we've read so far. So you've probably guessed the next step is we go back up to the passage, and this time we're going to skim the second half. Once we've done that, we can go and answer the rest of the questions. So here we go. We can answer 27 and 28. We see 29 gives us lines 62 to 73. We've got that. Line 63, good. Line 72, awesome. We've got all of that. And now we have to remember that we have to go back to that first question, the main purpose question. Now that we've read the whole passage, we've engaged with the passage a lot by reading all the other questions, we're going to be really well equipped now to answer this question about the passage as a whole. So give this strategy a try on your next practice SAT with the reading passages. The first thing, split it in half, follow this divide and conquer strategy, and see how it helps you stay focused and really structured in your approach, which will help you with both your accuracy and your speed. Now, if you want to check out some other really helpful tips from us at Scorelifters, make sure that you subscribe. We've got a lot of great tips on here. And also, if you want to check out our online classes, you can go to scorelifters.guru to see what we have to offer. Thanks for tuning in.